What up, YouTube? This is Geo Stealth R1. What are we doing today? So, as you can see, I got my two Losi Mini LMTs right here. We do have the Grave Digger, which is heavily modified with pretty much everything that Trell had to offer. I threw at this thing. Upgraded servo, amongst other things. I do want to get an upgraded motor and ESC, make it brushless. Now we got the Son of a Digger. The Son of a Digger has a few modifications, shocks, amongst other things, but I do want this to have front and rear steering. So, what do you guys come into this video for? Well, here we go. Let's add something else to the family. And we are coming across and looking at the Megalodon. The Losi Megalodon, which is going to be something pretty dope. I think by far it's something that I can honestly say they did this one right. Let's look at the side of the box. Let's have your controller. Comes with batteries. 2S battery system. What is that? 110 mAh. USB charging. It gives you pretty much everything that's included right there. As you can see, it does look like they updated the links. I know the body is totally different than what the Lexan bodies used to have, but this is going to be very interesting for me to open up. We'll turn around to the other side. Here we go. And like I said, the fins are some type of rubber and stuff like that, so it does take a lot of the impact. I'm not too sure if the other ones have the positions of the wheelies. I'm not too sure. 25 turn motor. There's the fin at the end, but yeah, this should be very interesting. I do like the way they packaged it, just like they did with the other ones and stuff like that. So let's unbox this and see where we go from there. Alrighty, so I left the booklet and all the tools and everything inside because I'm pretty sure you guys have seen so many of the videos. I ended up taking out the controller right there, the manuals in there and everything like that. But wow, this is very interesting on this the way this body is set up. I mean, I was very I saw videos of how this was like a flexible thing, but yeah, it's definitely different than those two bodies over there. Let me take these whole things apart because from what I understand, the whole body comes loose. When the whole body comes loose, it just falls into place. There's the last piece right there. Yeah. Alrighty, so there you got your little guy right there. I'm gonna put you down. It has a little bit of weight to it. Alrighty, so as I can see right off the rip, the chassis is a little bit different. To me, it looks well. Maybe because I've been utilizing updated the chassis looks a little bit thinner. Maybe it is. It has, judging by what I'm looking at right now, this is pretty light. As you can see, those are the new links that they have over there. It's a lot thicker than it was beforehand. Everything is all murdered out, all black. So I'm pretty sure a lot of other guys who are doing these custom 3D bodies, they're going to be cool with this instead of having the initial blue or the green that's over there. But yeah, the chassis looks a little bit different, and I understand why because of the way the body is set up. But yeah, pretty much it has everything else other than what I'm looking at right now with the links and the way the chassis set up. Everything is pretty much the same. I don't see really any much of difference when it comes down to. I mean, you could tell the difference from the body, but I don't see too much differences with this as opposed to the other chassis that are out there. I mean, yeah, real. I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you. It still looks really kick ass, and especially having this body on there, it just gives it something totally different. I can't wait to drive this. I'm gonna drive this around the house and see how that works out and stuff like that. I would love to drive that one, but it's just too heavy at this point. And yeah, I'll probably match it up with this one. So Yeah, tell me what you think the updates or the upgrades you would want to have me do with this thing right now. As of right now, I just ordered shocks. I'm gonna be ordering a whole bunch of things. Most likely, I'm gonna order the servo, and I do think this needs a strong servo, but maybe not. I mean, we'll see what the weight difference is with having this body and how it handles on the road. So, if this video was informative to you, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you want to see any different types of upgrades or updates with the Megalodon, leave me a comment below. Anyway, rate, comment, subscribe. Tell me if it's up on YouTube. Later.